How to set up an open house. First, you want to go out to Home Depot, buy at least 10 open house directional signs. Do not write on them. Then I always head to Dollar Tree to get some supplies. Air freshener is a must-have. Then you'll also want to grab a couple welcome mats for people to wipe their feet on. And then balloons. These are the attention grabbers, so make sure to grab some balloons. Then we head out to the property. With your signs, you want to find the closest intersection that is the busiest entrance to the neighborhood that you're hosting your open house in. From here, identify the right turn lane into the property and put down at least 3 to 4 to 5 signs along with some balloons for direction to get their attention. Every turn into the neighborhood to your house, make sure to put an open house sign and put one in front of your house, letting them know they've made it. From here, you just want to make your way to the house and you will put down your welcome mat. Want to come in, make sure you spray some of the air freshener throughout the house. Want to have a nice fragrance when they enter the home, enter the room. Make sure to turn on all the lights around the house and make sure everything is lit from the entrance all the way through all the bedrooms. Turn on all the house lights. Make sure the house is clean, free from debris, toys. Pick up that little jacket and make sure the house is clear and presentable. And then all the hard work is done. Wait for the people